Hey, designers! Today marks our official first-class video for Figma design, where we delve into the world of creating designs. So, let's open a document. The first step is to create the frame. Click on the frame. You have multiple default presets. Select the preset that you want to work on. For now, I am going to select desktop. The moment you click on it, it is going to make a desktop-sized document for you. It's important to know how to zoom in and out. Press the Ctrl key and scroll up or down with your mouse. It's going to be a very easy and basic tutorial, especially for beginners. Now, let's place an image. Click and drag on this rectangle tool. Here, you will find the Place Image, Video option. Click on it. After clicking, I am going to select this headphones PNG. Now, click and drag to scale the headphones to your desired size. When you release, it is going to be pasted right there. First, take the scale tool and scale the headphones. The second thing is you're going to see that the upper and lower portions of the headphones are trimmed. To get it back, use the Move tool. Click and drag on top to get the full headphone PNG. Now, place it on the document the way you want. I haven't made the background first. I wanted to pick the color of these headphones for the background. Draw a rectangle for the background, the size of the desktop. Now, drag this rectangle layer below the headphones layer. Click on this white color in the Fill properties. Select this gradient icon. Pick the color from the headphones ribbon for the first color. And for the second, take the shade of this orange color. After applying this gradient, you can do a little adjustment by dragging this line from top to bottom. Experiment with it and choose the background you like. After the background and the headphones are done, now we need to write text on top of it. Write the brand name here. Outlier. Now, highlight this text, and to scale up the font, click here and choose the size. You can also drag your cursor on the scale number by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard. Select Font now. I am going to select this font. Now, put the font layer on top of the headphones layer because we want the text to come below the headphones. Adjust the text with the Move tool. Now, place it on the document the way you want. This looks good to me. Now, an important thing to do is to add a shadow to both the headphones and the text. For the headphones layer, select the headphone, scroll down, and find Effects. Click on it. There you will have options. Select Drop Shadow. Then go to Drop Shadow Properties. Give it X and Y values. Apply blur to it too. The same way, we are going to give a shadow to the text layer. Scroll down, and find Effects. Select Drop Shadow. Give it X and Y values. Apply blur to it too. Make a duplicate of this text layer by pressing Alt on your keyboard and dragging it down. Now, we do not want the fill of this duplicate layer. So select it. Find fill here. Click on this minus icon to get rid of it. And click on this plus to have a stroke. Now, select the color of the stroke. I'll keep it white. To increase the weight, press Alt and drag left or right. Let's make it 3. Adjust its position. We need to duplicate this stroke text layer. Put your mouse on it, press Alt, and drag it to make another duplicate. Adjust its position. Now, the last step is we are going to make a shape and write "Shop Now" on it. So, take the rectangle tool. Zoom in by pressing the Ctrl key on your keyboard and scrolling up your mouse. When you see the small circles, click and drag inside to make a curved rectangle. Give it a white fill. Lock them. Group the text and headphone layers by pressing Ctrl G on your keyboard. Then lock them. Add text on top. The font of the text is so big. Make it smaller. Choose the font now. I'll select this. Apply a drop shadow effect to both. Scroll down, and find Effects. Select Drop Shadow. Give it X and Y values. Apply blur to it too. Select Drop Shadow. Give it X and Y values. Group the shape and text. Rename it to Shop Now. Now, place it on the document the way you want. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want more tutorials, remember to like, comment and subscribe.